Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Ford Kuga 2.0 EcoBlue MHEV ST-Line X. Now this vehicle is a diesel with a manual transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with then, you have your LED daytime running lights, which are brilliant for making you more visible, especially to other road users. Along with 19-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in your rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see you've got a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the Salerno leather and wrapped in cloth ebony upholstery with a contrasting red stitch. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has the Bang & Olufsen sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey you may take. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see this vehicle has done 38,687 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet the safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. And you also have parking sensors, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to the climate control, you do in fact have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats. This has been a presentation on a Ford Kuga 2.0 EcoBlue MHEV ST-Line X. It's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.